Alright guys, good morning. I am setting this up for the Avenging Spider-Man #9 second print. I'm missing one payment, but that is from Ed Rod and I got a vouch. Alright guys, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to go live. We are live. We have a local time of 10:31 a.m. Let's reset. 10:31. Here's our list. And we do have 10:31 here. So our list is all set up. We got the 40 on there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get this started. 3 dice rule. There's your 3 dice. 12 rounds. We're going to go ahead and get this going. It's the first round. We got one more round. The top spot will take this book home, and your winner is spot 30. Vicente Mendez. Spot 30. Here is your verification code. There it shows our results. And we've got a time of 10:32. 10:32. We just flipped over to 10:33. There you go, right there. All right, so we are done, guys. Thank you very much. I will post both links shortly.